We're going to take a look at Filmic Pro on a LG V30 using the V2 log, also in the which is D-log and D-flat. And first we're going to actually go into the settings just to show you what they are. They are 1080p, 24 frames per second in extreme, which should be 50 megabits per second. Unfortunately, it's only showing 19 or 16 megabits per second. For some reason, I got to go back and find out why. Also, we're going to go into the cinematographer's kit, and we're going to change the white balance using the white balance card, and we're going to record in both flat and log footage, and then obviously compare that with the graded and ungraded. You can also grab the LUTs from the Filmic Pro website. Now these LUTs will, depending on if you use flat or log footage, add it into your video editor of choice, and then obviously for flat you're going to use the D-flat, and for logged footage you're going to use the D-log, and this will give you a base reference for color correction, and then once you finish that you do color grading and go on as normal. Now this is recorded using the flat picture profile, which is great if you don't necessarily want to do anything too extreme and not get the baked in color from many cameras, and then you can simply color grade and color correct as normal. Now this is the flat picture profile when it is color correction and color graded, and we're also going to compare side to side the graded and ungraded flat picture profile just to show you. This was shot for Filmic Pro using the V2 log, and it's very desaturated, very bright, and this is great to get the most dynamic range if in your specifically a very dark or very bright situation. You can get the most dynamic range out of the picture or video. Now this is what it looks like when you do the color correction, color grading using, of course, the log footage. And then as always, of course, we're going to show you the ungraded and graded version side by side, so you can make the differences between the two. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and see you guys later. And I appreciate all you guys subscribing if you like my videos, and appreciate the ones that did as well, and see you guys later.